my little rabbit. So much fun. It's still staring at me. So cute. Oh my gosh, he saw me, but still. Love speaks herself, right? See how adorable, how cute he is. Hey, oh my gosh, so beautiful. He's also careful and cautious. Oh my gosh. You can only find this love when you are completely in nature and the highest vibration of love. Just found a new butterfly, Empress Lelia. Beautiful. Butterfly Empress Lelia. Wow. Look at her. She's truly an empress, right? Look at the work of her whole feather. This is Empress Lelia. Beautiful. This butterfly. Beautiful, rare. Look at the work, the design. Beautiful, right? Teamwork is gold work, right? See how much unity they have. Eating together, swimming together, eating together. That's what we should follow in our life as a human. At workplace, at family life, being together. It's so important.